Hey boys and girls, so today we are doing session 4 of lesson 25 and we're going to be solving some more problems that we don't know the two add-ins. We know the answer, but we have to figure out what the two numbers would be to get the answer. So let's go ahead and get started. So let's look at here. So our answer is what? You're right, our answer is 9, but we have to decide how many reds and how many yellows are going to equal 9. So I'm going to draw 9 circles. Here I go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now I get to choose how many reds and how many yellows. So I think I'm going to make these 5 up here red. So if I have 5 reds, how many yellows am I going to have? You're right, I'm going to have 9 yellows. So then I could complete this problem and say 9 equals 5 plus 4. That's one way I could solve it. There's lots of different ways I could also solve this problem. So I just have to make sure that my answer is correct. All right. Now you need out your workbook pages. We're going to be on page 499, and you're going to need a pencil and probably your crayons out because we want to be able to draw some pictures today. All right, so what is our answer? You're right, our answer is 7. So I'm going to draw 7 squares. Can you draw 7 squares? All right, there's our 7. Now some need to be yellow and some need to be blue. So I'm going to make a couple yellow and the rest blue. So now I complete my number sentence. So I have 7 equals how many yellows? 3 plus how many blues? 4. Nice job. All right, boys and girls, we need one more way to make 7. I want you to draw your 7 squares, color some yellow and some blue, and write your number sentence. When you're done, start this video and we'll complete the next page. All right, boys and girls, what did you do for your number sentence? There's lots of ways. You could have said 5 plus 2, 6 plus 1. You could have even said 7 plus 0 or 0 plus 7. Nice job. All right, so we are going to be showing different ways to make different numbers. So, what's our first number up here? You're right, 3. So I have to draw 3 circles. Now some need to be what color? Red. And some need to be yellow. So I'm going to write my number sentence. So I have 3 equals 1 plus 2. Now, when I do my next one, do I want to have 1 plus 2 again? You're right, I want something different, don't I? So this time, I think I'm going to do this. I'm going to make 3 of them red, which how many yellows does that give me? You're right, 0. So 3 equals 3 plus 0. So I still have the same answer. I just have different add-ins. Nice job. All right, boys and girls, I want you to pause my video and I want you to do number 10 and I want you to complete 2 different ways to make 10 and then come back and check with me. Hey boys and girls, did you complete your 10s? So I have my circles drawn, but now I'm going to color them in. So I know I need some blue and some green. So I think I'm going to make on this first one 5 blue. So if I have 5 blue, how many green am I going to have? You're right. I'm going to have 5 green. So my number sentence would be 10 equals 5 plus 5. Nice job. Did you do a 5 plus 5? If not, that's okay. There's lots of different ways to make 10. This time I think I'm only going to make 1 blue and the rest green. So if 1 is blue, how many are green? You're right. I'm going to have 10 greens. Or not 10 greens. I have 10 overall. So if I have 1 blue, how many greens do I have? 9. So these are 2 ways to make 10, 5 plus 5 and 1 plus 9. There's lots of different ways. You could also have 2 plus 8, 3 plus 7, 4 plus 6. Those are all ways that we can make 10. Nice job, boys and girls. All right. Now we're going to go to our next page. It should look like this. And you're going to complete these next 2 pages on your own. So you're going to be doing 5. Then on the next page, you're going to be doing 9. And then the last one, you get to choose. So you choose a number you want to show 2 different ways. Boys and girls, when you finish those pages, please have somebody check them and make sure you have them correct. All right, boys and girls, I want you to have a really good day. Have a nice afternoon, and I will talk to you later. Bye.